So, did you hear? Breaking news, RE/MAX just settled. They agreed to pay $55 million, and they are now the second franchisor to essentially settle this serious issue that's going to impact all of us in the real estate world. So the suit alleges that some NAR rules essentially violate the Sherman Antitrust Act by inflating seller costs. So for example, one of the rules, called the participation rule, essentially says that in order for a realtor to list a property in an MLS, it must offer a buyer's broker a commission. Now, what does this actually mean, and how is this going to impact us? Well, to me, my opinion is that no one forces the seller to pay the buyer's agent commission. It's a recommendation in order for us to offer compensation to whatever agent is working with the buyer. Now, the challenge here is that if the seller isn't paying the commission, who's going to pay the buyer's agent commission? And so to me, this is going to make our job harder. When you represent a buyer, you're going to have to be that much better at explaining your value, possibly getting a buyer brokerage agreement signed, because it's not going to be the way it was. Things are going to start changing.